exercise is called exposure leg kicks. We set this up as a low line exercise. If you feel comfortable in your practice, you can start to raise the line and continue this exercise with a higher line. But for today, it's a low line exercise. You're gonna start in the center of the line and you step up into exposure. Foot placement, with or without the shoes, is top of the arch, bottom of the ball mount. I'm gonna step up into exposure, having the legs about hip distance apart. From here, progression 1. Simply shifting the weight onto one foot. In this case, it's my right foot, and I'm going to lift the left foot for 5 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, and place it back down, making my weight even on both feet again. In exposure, if standing up is difficult for you, I always recommend a slight bend in the knees and put the hips back just a little bit like you're sitting in a chair to regain balance and then straighten back up. Continuing progression 1, we're going to switch the weight now into the other foot, the left foot. Come up off of the right foot for 5 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, and then bring the foot back. You're going to do that 3 times on each side. So that was a 5-second hold on one foot, 3 times on each side. I'll do one more demo. Shifting the weight to the right foot, just slightly lifting the left leg. Doesn't have to be far. You can see it's really close to the line still. Try to keep it close to the line in this exercise. I think that was 5 seconds, and switch, shifting the weight, left foot, lifting the right foot. The whole time I have a drishti, something that's in front of me on the ground that is not moving, and I'm focusing all of my energy on. And shifting back. All right, that's exercise 1 of progression 1. Moving on to progression 2. Staying here, come down if you need a break, shifting the weight into the right foot again, taking the right hand and touching the left knee. 1, and back down. Doing that 5 times on each side. 2, 3, 4, 5. So the whole time during that exercise, my weight is mostly concentrated on the right foot. Now I'm going to shift to the left side, left hand to right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The idea is to let your knee come up at least to the hip. So on that last one, I kind of reached down with my arm. Try to meet the hand and the knee level with the hip. So I'll do one more demo. So coming here, instead of coming here, or instead of trying to do this, the goal is to meet the knee at the hip with the hand. All right, that's progression 2, going back and forth, doing the knee lifts, 5 touches each side, doing that 3 times on each side, and shifting back. 4, 5. Okay, when you get comfortable with that, you're ready for progression 3. Exposure leg kicks. So same thing's happening, except for we're going to straighten the leg with the knee that's lifting. So shifting the weight to the right. Right arm is out. Instead of bringing up a bent knee, we're going to try to bring up a straight leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I'm trying to lift the foot as high as my hip. So I don't want it nice and low, and I don't want it too high. Shifting to the other side. Shifting the weight into the foot. Straight leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's progression 3. You're going to do that on both sides 3 times each. One more demo. I think if there's anything else I can cue you with here. Shifting the weight, drishti point, straight leg, meeting at the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With this other arm that's flailing around, just using it to help me balance, moving it in whatever direction needed to help maintain balance on the line. So those are the 3 progressions. Have fun with them. If you have any questions, send us an email at slackrobats@gmail.com. One more. Till then, keep training.